We've seen robots doing parkour on construction sites. We've seen humanoids stacking warehouse bins with perfect precision. We've seen AI arms assemble cars faster than entire production lines from a decade ago. At this point, movement alone doesn't impress us anymore. So no, I'm not shocked by a robot that folds laundry, but building one in 24 hours? That part deserves attention. Robotics maker Maselli built a functional laundry folding robot called Sourccey in under a day. Not a simulation, not a polished product demo. A real physical prototype assembled, wired, trained, and operational within 24 hours. And what makes this interesting isn't the robot's complexity. It's the development speed, the real advantage, rapid 3D printing. Most of Sourccey's structural components were 3D printed using PLA. That includes arm segments, mounting brackets, structural supports, exterior panels. Now, PLA isn't exotic. It's one of the most common 3D printing materials, but in this context, that's the point. Using PLA meant parts could be printed within hours. If something didn't fit, it was redesigned and reprinted immediately. During the build, there were defective prints and even a missing motor clip. But the workflow didn't collapse. They just printed again. This is where I think the project genuinely shines. Not in mechanical complexity, but in iteration speed. When hardware becomes disposable in the prototyping phase, experimentation becomes faster, and faster experimentation leads to faster functional systems. In robotics, iteration speed often matters more than raw sophistication.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Folding fabric is harder than it sounds. Now let's talk about the task itself. Folding laundry sounds simple until you try to automate it. Fabric is unpredictable. It wrinkles, it shifts, it deforms under almost no force. It behaves nothing like rigid objects. Each arm on Sourccey contains multiple servo motors arranged to allow coordinated, precise motion. And in this kind of task, alignment is everything. If the motors aren't synchronized properly, the grippers won't maintain even tension, and the cloth slips. The grippers were designed to apply consistent pressure without crushing or losing grip. That's thoughtful engineering for a rapid build. Powering the entire system is a 12-volt 10 ampere-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. LiFePO4 is known for thermal stability and safety. A smart choice when you're running high-current servo motors. There's also a structured power distribution system with fuses and voltage converters to ensure each component receives the correct voltage. That detail matters. It shows that even under time pressure, electrical reliability wasn't ignored. For a 24-hour sprint, the build doesn't feel careless. It feels focused. A Raspberry Pi doing heavy lifting. At the core of Sourccey is a Raspberry Pi 5. Now, Raspberry Pi in robotics isn't new, but what's notable here is how much it's handling. The Pi processes input from 4 camera feeds for vision-based perception. It controls motor drivers for both arms and the lift mechanism. It manages peripherals like a display, microphone, and speakers, and it runs the trained AI model locally. That's a significant workload for a compact board. Importantly, once trained, the AI model runs entirely on the device. There's no cloud dependency for execution. That reduces latency and makes the robot self-contained. This isn't cutting-edge supercomputer hardware. It's smart system integration using accessible components. And honestly, that's more relevant for independent builders than expensive proprietary systems. The smartest decision: teach, don't hard code. Here's where the project makes a strategically strong choice. Instead of writing rigid motion scripts for folding, Maselli used imitation learning. A human operator demonstrated the folding process using teleoperation. Cameras captured the movements and fabric behavior. That data was used to train an AI model overnight on high-performance GPUs. By morning, the trained model was deployed back to the Raspberry Pi. Now the robot doesn't just replay recorded motions. It uses visual input to adapt its behavior. It can identify laundry items, determine orientation, adjust grip pressure, modify folding trajectory in real time. That's a practical solution for soft object manipulation. Hard-coded paths struggle with variability. Learning-based systems handle it more naturally. This isn't a groundbreaking AI breakthrough, but it's the right tool for the task. And in engineering, choosing the right tool matters more than chasing things that look cool, apparently.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
The real story isn't the robot. The notable point is that this is not the most advanced robot we've seen. But here's what stands out. Hardware assembled during the day, AI trained overnight, functional prototype the next morning. That compressed workflow is the real takeaway. It demonstrates how accessible tools, 3D printing, embedded computing, GPU training pipelines, can dramatically shorten development cycles. And when development cycles shrink, innovation accelerates. You can test ideas faster, you can fail faster, you can improve faster. Sourccey might not replace human laundry folding anytime soon, but it represents something important: disciplined, rapid prototyping combined with practical AI integration. In simple words, just efficient. And in robotics, efficiency in development often matters more than spectacle. That's why this build is worth paying attention to, not because it folds a towel, but because it folds months of engineering into a single focused day. And that mindset, that's what will shape the next generation of home robotics.